What is your goal this second half of the year?
To become a better person. Wow! Ang lalim
It's good that you know you're not a better person.
Ang sama nito.
No, joke. Kita po talaga kami ni Renz ever since sa Basang City.
Kami
Siya lang po yung
Oh,
ganyan.
like, medyo mabait pa kasi kaming dalawa ni Miguel.
Yeah, about
Serious?
that. Okay.
Yun na ba yung sagot mo?
Uy, second half of the year daw. Hindi pa yun yung sagot. Grabe naman. Ano ba? What is my goal?
Ako ba, Robert?
Ako ano? Siguro mas maging better person ako. Kaya seryoso ako.
Diba kasi ang Artist Center may pinibigay na parang workshops, diba? So ako parang siguro to become a better actor. May level 2 na kasi, diba? Ako rin gamit ko yun. After siguro ng
Ang video.
I don't know.
Ikaw lang.
Ang tagal
To gain, more achievements. As in, kasi may nung bucket list. Kailangan mo complete.
This second half of the year, talaga?
Kaya,
Kasi go to like, Milan.
Like,
pwede natin i-share sa nila kasi.
Okay.
Impossible kasi yung bucket list. Like, be it two places at once.
So, San Francisco Bridge, yun ba to? Nakagaling ka parehas.
Yeah, pwede.
Okay.
Ganun.